The Central Bureau of Investigation has been given the go-ahead to conduct polygraph test on the key accused in this case. Sources say that CBI had to approach the High Court to get an approval for lie detector test after discrepancies were found in Sanjay Roy's psychoanalysis test. However, there are several questions that CBI now needs to find answers to. For example, has there been any destruction or disappearance of evidence? Were there more than one accused in this case? And did someone manage to escape from the terrace or the top floor of on the fateful night? Opposition is also now demanding a probe into the role of police.
There is one important issue, which is the issue of the role of the Bengal police and the police commissioner himself. I hope the Supreme Court will take note of that, because the credibility of the probe, even though it is handed over to the CBI, if the police commissioner remains in his position, being defended by the Mamata government, it affects any probe. So hopefully the Supreme Court intervention may prompt some action against the police. That is what is most required right now.
The Health Ministry, meanwhile, has said that the security has to be tightened in central government hospitals by 25%. It has issued directions to all central government hospitals to ensure that there are sufficient number of CCTV cameras, there is mapping of dark spots, and the administration ensures adequate lighting in the premises. Employ adequate number of well-trained security guards is another direction that has come from the centre for proper monitoring of premises, including the entries as well as the exits. And also they have been asked to provide adequate number of well-secured duty rooms with basic amenities for female health professionals.
सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने भी संज्ञान लिया है और सीबीआई भी जांच कर रही है। सीबीआई की जांच भी तेज हुई है। इससे पता है कि ये बहुत ब्रूटल है और इसमें जल्द न्याय मिले, ये पूरा देश चाहता है।